Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve HTTP error 304 not modified. So this static code is returned if the client has already downloaded resources since the last visit and is displayed to notify the client browser that the requested resource is already stored in the browser cache which has not been modified. Let's fix it guys. So assuming you are using a Chromium based browser, we are going to clear our browsing cache. If you are using a different web browser, you can look up different tutorial on my channel about clearing the web cache for any web browser. We are going to do this in Chrome. You just need to click on this three dot icon and select clear browsing data. You just need to select time range to all time and make sure you just need to check mark cached images and files. Other things you just need to uncheck it, and after check marking this you just need to select clear data. After doing this you just need to close it off here and relaunch the browser. And please note, if you are able to get into the website through different web browser or your computer, they should be unaffected. So if you are having problem with the Chrome, you could try going Firefox or Edge for example and see if you are having the issue with that browser instead, or it's just maybe there is a website related issue, in which case nothing you can do on your end is going to change that. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.